Hello students, hope you are good. Today we are going to discuss about search engine related concepts. Okay, you know about there are different types of search engine websites. This is a well-known website. Google is a well-known, right? If I enter proper spelling, okay, visit site. See, simply it look like this. Okay, whatever you write inside this box, okay. So this search engine shows search result quickly. Okay, similar to that, there are different type of search engine exist uh, on internet, on web. Search engine names like yahoo.com, search engine names like AOL search, then Baidu search, Yandex search, okay, yandex.com. So there are different types, there are different websites which just comes under search engine category. Okay, Google is a popular one. If I enter any specific keyword, for example, computer, okay, computer, then see, whenever we try to enter, then it will displays two words, three words, okay, or sentence. If I hit this, then displays search result on proper page. Okay, see, there are different number of pages. See here, how many number of pages? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And also there are see, next means there are different number of pages also there. Okay, so in this way you can able to search. There are different number of links because computer is a very we can say it's a reserved, very popular keyword. So definitely which is available in different websites, which include in different websites, right? So Wikipedia is this, and this is a wikipedia.org, en.wikipedia.org. This is a website title. Okay, this is a website name, and this is a description. I will show you just a minute. See, this is what description. Okay, right? This is what description, and this is called as this blue text is called as this blue text is called as document title. Okay, you know document title always provide title, right? So we're going to discuss about uh, search engine optimization concept with the help of meta tag. Meta tag is used to give metadata information. It's a data of data. Metadata means what? It is the data of data, right? So this is about data of data, right? And there are lots of keywords. Whenever user wants to say anything from particular website, then this is possible. Okay, just a minute. So let's discuss about actual concept. So metadata in HTML5. Which tag is there? Meta tag is there. Attributes of meta tag, we also covered in that. Attributes names like name, content, char set, and HTTP equivalent, okay. Now, similar to that, we discuss about one particular examples, okay, related to the metadata. Actually, metadata is work with real world example, but I surely try to explain properly. Okay, so we need to go text. So data tag, sorry, meta tag is there. The meta tag is tag in HTML that describes some aspects of content of a web page. It gives additional information to the particular user or every visitor, every users. Okay, it just information. It just provide information about website. It just provide information, additional information about web page. Okay, so the meta tag is used by search engine to search information that is provided with the web page. This is a type of tag. It is also called as a singular type of tag, which carries information within its attributes. The meta tag places between the head section, means opening head tag and closing head tag, right? This is called as the head section. Metadata will not be displayed on the web page. Everything which is provided inside head section will not displayed, okay, to the visitor on particular body area, right? Because this is available in the header section, except title of document, okay, which displays on title bar. So let's discuss about attributes of meta. Okay, meta tag. This is a very interesting concept which helpful uh, to rank your web page, to rank your website, especially in digital marketing concept. Okay, very interesting concept. Now, say one first attribute name is name, description, value. Which type of values covered? Author, description, keyword, copyright. So these are different value. You can use any one to set meta. The value of the name attribute can be related to any of the following. Okay. For example, how to write this? Meta tag in angular bracket meta space name equal to author. So in this way you can write meta tag. Okay. Description. What is the use of name? Specifies the name of the metadata like the author, keyword, and description. Now, when you set name, we need to set content as well. Okay, when you set name is equal to meta name is equal to author, then you have to put content is equal to author name. Okay, when you set meta name is equal to description, then you have to describe in content is equal to uh, sentence. Okay, proper sentence. If you not put any type of description in meta, then search engine can take first paragraph from your website, okay, and it will show on the exact search result. Means I will show you here. Okay, a computer is this. Okay, so in this way meta tag is work. Let me show one example. We need to go our destination folder, open with notepad. There are actually these are different words. Let me show you. First of all, is a single simple document. Okay, and in that there is a title for document is metadata concept, right? Head section close, body section start, h1 use of metadata concept. There is a top level heading, and there is a inline image page.jpg, right? This is a simple document. If I want to add meta tag, then I already told you where, in head section, correct? In head section we always place meta tag in header section. So in this way, meta name is equal to author, author. Then we can take content. Okay, we need to take content is equal to, so in this way you can write your author name, okay, of website. Then meta name is equal to another value for name is description, sorry. Then content is equal to is you can add any type of text, any type of statement for description as per your requirement. Okay, here I just enter this is oh sorry, this is a website. Okay, this is okay. What happened? Just a minute. Okay, this is a website which help. So this is my description. So in this way you can write meta tag. Now meta meta keywords. Okay, I want to set name is equal to keyword AEYWRDS keywords. Content is equal to content is equal to you can put a website contains when user wants to search anything, when you want to search gaining information, okay, for specific concept. For example, if users wants to collect information like HTML, information like HTML5 tags, okay, so you can write HTML here, each and every keyword separated by comma. Okay, HTML, mm, learn learn HTML. Okay, CSS, then JavaScript, sorry, JavaScript, then HTML5. Okay, so we want just these few keywords. Okay, again, a tutorial. So you can use such type of keywords for uh, effective search. Okay, effective gaining effective search to gaining higher rank website. Then next, let me show you another attribute. Content is there, right? Next attribute is char set. Char set have two values, UTF-8 and Big 5. Actually, UTF-8 for Indian characters and Big 5 for Chinese characters, right? So UTF means Universal Transformation Format, for especially for encoding purpose, character encoding purpose we use. Uh, okay, so just use like this meta con char set is equal to UTF dash 8. That's it. Okay, and format. What is the purpose? It specifies the character encoding used by the document. This is called a character encoding declaration. Now another, this is very interesting, HTTP queue. When you want to, which is useful on HTTP header, used for HTTP response message headers. Here the page will get refresh after every 5 seconds. Okay, so we're going to take refresh value for HTTP equip. So here we go. Uh, meta, meta, then http equiview http dash equiview is equal to refresh. Okay, and content is equal to 5. Content equals to 5. So in this way you can you can write meta is a, you know about, this is a singular type, category type of tag, singular type of tag. So that's why there is no closing tag. So this is a perfect way to write meta descript meta um, information in header section. Okay, content 5. Let me show you output. I execute this on, this is a Mozilla Firefox, right? If I execute this on browser, then displays, see, it will automatically refresh page after 5 seconds interval. See, okay. So this is the purpose of, this is the basic purpose of HTTP view refresh. Okay, and these are this definitely works, but this work on real world application, real world websites. Okay, whenever you upload your page, whenever you upload your website, okay, on web server. So this is about concept. If I just cut this image, okay, if I cut this image and paste on desktop, and if I just execute, then see what happened. Automatically file not found, which is not visible, particular image not visible on website, right? If I make change in that, see, simply I set, if I rename it this available file, if I set page, okay, then see what happened. See, okay, actually its size is very big, so that's why it displays whole image. If I change this width, width is equal to 500, and if I save this, I will not refresh, automatically refresh after 5 seconds. So this is the dynamic change. We can control it from uh, this meta HTTP queue. Another way, if you want to redirect after 5 seconds to specific page, then you just press semicolon URL. I think URL equal to, sorry, http colon w dot google dot com. Okay, I think will automatically redirect. Let me check. Yes, definitely. So it works. It always works when you whenever you want to jump or redirect our website to specific page, then you can use HTTP view and just contents, set content like a 5 colon URL. You can use a specific URL. If I write Nandeep dot org, okay, if I save this file, then surely I execute and execute the same. Sorry, I need to execute first of all, and after 5 seconds you definitely get results. See here, after 5 seconds it will redirect to the uh, particular website. Sorry, there is one mistake, vm dot, okay. If I save this file and we need to execute again, okay, see, this is our page. After 5 seconds it will redirect to the specific page. Oops, there is a small mistake. save this file. Okay, I need to execute again. Just a minute. Enter proper, and definitely direct to particular page. Okay, exact website. See, this is our website. Nandesh Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, Khed, Ratnagiri. Okay, so this is our page. This is our campus. This is a Morvante Boras campus. So, so in this way you can use meta concept. Okay, so this is about HTTP view. That's it. That's it for this video. Hope you understand how to use meta tag, which is very useful for uh, SEO expert. Now here SEO stands for search engine optimization. Okay, such type of concept SEO can embed in or set into your website for efficient search. Okay, which is also called as organic search. Okay, and another way is paid search. So this is a SEO which is comes under SEO concept, different type. Okay, but which is this is very important. Meta tag is to particular page. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you.